look at team effectiveness, you can use three different lenses. One is for results, getting stuff done. It's very, very important. The other one is about process, which could be how repeatable is what you're doing. Can you explain it later on? Does it make sense? So if you're thinking about like test-driven development, or if you think about other types of ways where you want to have an audit for what you're doing, process is extremely important. And the third one is about people. So how will the people involved feel, react, how aligned is it to other things that matter to them? Any of these three lenses, when you take it too far, has some downsides. So as a leader, it is important that you will bring some sort of balance of the three and identify within the situation what is kind of the flavor that needs to be added in. The more range that you have, the better is your ability to help teams around you get what they need and find a way that is sustainable for them moving forward.